Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your Indeed resume to private on the Indeed jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Profile, which is the third button. Tap on Indeed Resume within the Resume section. As you can see now, it is set to public, meaning that everyone can see your resume. If you would like to change its availability and its status, click on this button. Scroll down and tap on the private button, meaning that employers cannot find your resume in a search on Indeed. This does not affect previous applications or prevent employers you responded to from contacting you. If you would like to finalize this process and set it to private, click on the Save button down below and then it will be set to private, as you can see indicated at the top, but you can reset and set it back to public by clicking on the public button again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.